Good morning. Well, I guess it's technically like 1, so good afternoon, everyone. I took a nice long 12-hour sleep, so yeah, no, I'm pretty much doing nothing for today, so meh. I don't know. I'm tired. Ugh, and I just woke up. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat some lunch now. Right now we're cleaning our garage because it's so gross and stuff. Da 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 dum da dum da 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 dum da dum da da dum.
It's a seagull and a seagull. And then it's a fox and a dog. Oh, Tumblr.
So I am bored right now, so I'm gonna make some puppy chow. I got the ingredients yesterday and I'm bored, so might as well make something. Voila!
Good evening. This was literally me the whole day today, and still is. I slept and I ate and I slept some more. So life is very exciting and vlogging is very exciting. Okay, I don't know what else to do. I might go somewhere tonight, but I don't know. So, yay! I'm ending my night by playing Maple Story. Don't judge me. Good night.